XRP Army gets Relist XRP trending, demands exchanges comply. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you guys here at Win with Ryan, where I am winning and so are you. Today, we are going to cover some news on XRP. We got some great news for XRP, the momentum. XRP Army still going strong. It's really awesome to see the following and the community that XRP has built, because the actual company Ripple is a phenomenal company. They do great things. Obviously, there's a little bit of a tie-up right now with the lawsuit and all that stuff. But today we're going to cover some great news for XRP. Hope you guys are all absolutely having a great kickoff to your week. I know we had a little bit of a scare in the markets this afternoon, when pretty much everything decided to take a little bit of a break from its super momentum and take a little bit of a pullback there. So hopefully none of you guys were hit hard. And always remember, in the markets, it is not a loss until you sell the coin. So if you guys noticed today, the prices went from really all-time highs on some of these coins. Obviously, I'm talking about some of these altcoins, but some of these other coins, they were still making some momentum, some gains. And then all of a sudden, boom, had a major pullback, but it was all within a 1 hour candle. And then all of a sudden they started making their gains back. So they just went down, knocked out all of the weak hands and all the diamond hands that are out there holding their coins. Now they're seeing that come back to the level that it was before the drop. And hopefully you guys didn't get hit hard by selling it. So let's go ahead and get into the news for XRP. Many crypto exchanges halted trading for XRP or delisted the token after the SEC announced its lawsuit last year. Members of the XRP Army, supporters of the XRP token, have started an online movement to pressure crypto exchanges to relist the digital asset amid Ripple facing a lawsuit from the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC. According to Twitter user MacAttackXRP, the hashtag RelistXRP was trending in the Netherlands today, with some users reporting the social media movement was gaining traction in Australia, the United States, and the United Kingdom. Twitter data showed that more than 35,000 tweets with the hashtag in the Netherlands, more than 30,000 tweets in the United States, and roughly 24,000 tweets in Australia. The campaign is reportedly an attempt to draw attention to crypto exchanges that have delisted or suspended the trading of XRP. In December of 2020, the SEC charged the Ripple CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, and also co-founder Chris Larsen with conducting an unregistered, ongoing digital asset securities offering for their XRP sales. In response to the lawsuit, many crypto exchanges announced that they would suspend the trading of XRP or delist the token entirely. Global money transfer service MoneyGram has also terminated its partnership with Ripple. The exchanges that have halted trading for XRP or delisted it include Coinbase, OKCoin, Bittrex, Bitstamp, Binance.us, Crypto.com, iTrust eToro, Genesis, Nexo, Wirex, Ziglu, CEX, STEX, Abra, Blockchain.com, and CoinGate. Other crypto firms have deferred taking action against the token. For example, Uphold said it would not delist XRP until the SEC lawsuit is resolved, while Indonesia's crypto exchange Indodax said the token has a risk of being delisted. As you can see from the tweet here, crypto exchanges, you know what you need to do. Relist XRP, and then they actually added all of those coins, exchanges there. XRP, hashtag Relist XRP. So by the way, if you are an XRP member and you're on Twitter, make sure you go and use the hashtags there and at Ripple so they can see that there is support from the XRP Army, that there is a movement to get the actual coin back on the trading. We're going to cover the actual charts here in a second, because we've had some great movement for XRP, even though all of those exchanges have it delisted or suspended, meaning that there's no money coming in from the United States mainly. Other countries are still trading, but the United States money is not moving in. So you can only imagine the momentum and the flow of the influx of actual money into the market cap to help move the price if it was allowed to be traded on these other exchanges. And as you can see in this chart here, exchanges, wallets, payment providers delisting or halting trading, they used an image of XRP. Wallets, Swipe will not allow the wallet or the trading of XRP. All of the exchanges we just read off, companies that are monitoring closely or will not halt are these companies here, as you can see there. More than 6,000 XRP holders lost a motion filed on their behalf in the SEC case against Ripple to insert themselves as third-party defendants. The motion to intervene argued that the interests of the XRP token holders were not being adequately represented in the lawsuit against Ripple and its executives. At the time of publication, the price of XRP is 58 cents, having risen 16% in the last 24 hours. All right, so here we have the daily chart for XRP. And as you can see, some major momentum for the last couple of days. I mean, starting at the bottom here, when it got to March 15th, it's definitely had a nice turnaround ever since then. Today's candle closing in, well, just opening actually 3 hours ago, has already ran up from the 54-cent mark all the way up to the 58-cent mark is where it's sitting now, which is very nice. We've had 2 days in a row of positive movement. So imagine if you had the ability to have more money flowing in for XRP as well. Let's take a look at the 1 hour chart for XRP here. If we zoom it in, and we've been following XRP for a long time. Let's go ahead and take this down out of the way and spread this out a little bit. So as you can see here, it was hitting this 51-cent resistance for a little while there. It broke above the resistance, and then it just kept on kind of teasing there and staying there, came down a little bit, kept tapping, and then it finally made its real move to the upside, and it just continued its move upward. It did have a little bit of a pullback here, never came all the way back down to the 51-cent level, and then just continued its way up. And again, this is on the 1 hour chart, so this is just over the basically last 10 hours of what's been going on. It did have this minor pullback, but now it is on its way back up. So the next mark, which we have been talking about on the channel, is it regaining that 63-cent mark. And then once it breaks through that, having some serious momentum continuing on, you know, can we see XRP really make that move? And with the move from the XRP community, XRP Army, really wanting it to be relisted, a lot of these companies, there is a risk, right? For if they put them back on there and then something comes wrong with XRP or Ripple and Brad Garlinghouse. But there is also the other side where, what if nothing happens? What if this all goes away and all of the XRP holders that could not trade are going to be, you know, fed up? I mean, imagine how much money these exchanges could be making right now by taking their fees on the trades with XRP. So in my opinion, they do definitely need to relist XRP. I know a lot of people that are in my community and where I'm at, that I work with, these traders and so on, they're all still holding their XRP, and they're very bullish on XRP, where it's going to go. So we'll see what happens. Comment down below, what do you think of XRP? Are you still holding XRP? Is XRP going to the moon? Is XRP going to reach the $1 mark? Is it going to come back down and tap this 51 cent before it makes its next up move? What are you seeing? So right now, personally, I do not see it coming back down to the 51 cent. If you're looking at your actual market structure, it's been making new highs everywhere, all the way up. So let's take a look here. Look at this indicator that we have. So as you can see, it is riding above the 50-hour close here. So you can see that it has been riding that line, bouncing back up. In fact, it's been riding it nicely for quite some time. It is also, you can see these little tags here. It made a new higher low here. It ran up and made a new higher high, which we talk about a lot on this channel. This is market structure. Came down and made a new higher low, and now it's still on its way back up. So as long as it makes its way up above this previous high and makes a new high in the next couple of hours without it coming and breaking below that new higher low, then we're still in good shape. The market structure is heading in the right direction, and we're still building the momentum. I mean, look at this momentum has been going for quite some time for XRP, and there's good news, right? So more good news for XRP because the XRP community is coming behind it and pumping it. So also be aware, if you've been following the channel, if you're not following, just click the subscribe button. It's free to do. But if you're not aware, every time really good news for XRP comes out, within 24 hours or so, something has come out from the SEC about negative news to try and bring it back down. But XRP Army is holding strong. Super stoked for you guys. Keep on holding strong. XRP Army to the moon for sure. I am winning, and so are you. By the way, if you do want to get yourself some of our merch, we got the I am winning hats, we got the I am winning t-shirts, coffee mugs, cell phone cases. Just go to iamwinningstore.com, iamwinningstore.com. Talk to you later.